Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're doing a builder gel on tips. So keep on watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. So there I am using actually a peel off base coat and it worked well. It actually came off just as easily. So that's a plus from Nailart peel off base coat. I like it. So I can do my own nail with acrylic or anything and it comes right off with no hassle of my own nail without soaking off. Or sometimes I can't bother with soaking off sometimes. So it works so well. So there I'm applying a thin layer of the builder gel to the nail before I apply the structure gel. So it's cured for 2 minutes. Each layer is cured for 2 minutes. So there I am applying a little more gel for structure. I try to focus on the center of the nail mostly and then use my liner brush to do the detailing work of the side walls and cuticle area and free edge. So bear with me guys, this is my first time doing it on a tip, so I'm just testing to see if it works in case a client is requesting it on a tip instead of just their own nails. So let's see how it turns out. Keep on watching. do the side wall, especially because the tip had a piece sticking out at the corner there, right there. So I had to file that away. So now I cure and I'm wiping off the sticky layer with alcohol. And look at it, guys. There's not much work to be done to it. It's clean. And I love how it moves. So I love you guys. So watch as I try and shape that nail. So I do the rest of the shaping off camera. And now we're going to do a simple design on the finger. So watch and see how we create that simple design, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe and to share with your friends and family. Tell them to come on over and look at these new designs. So keep on watching, guys. It's quite simple, nothing too difficult. So keep watching. Cured the colors, apply 2 coats, do the next application off camera. Now I'm applying white gel polish to the edge of that baby green color, and I'm gonna apply gold at the other color. It's different and quite trendy these days, so hope you like it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. finish off this design and the snail. Hope you enjoy the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.